In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete a portfolio in CoinGecko. Keeping your dashboard cluttered with old, inactive portfolios can make it harder to see what's actually happening with your active trades. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean up your workspace by deleting a portfolio. And there's one important rule you need to know before you start. The process is straightforward, but it varies slightly depending on whether you're at your computer or on your phone. Log in to your CoinGecko account and navigate to your portfolio page. Select the specific portfolio you want to remove. Look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of your portfolio dashboard. Click it, and you will see the Delete Portfolio option in the drop-down menu. Click that, confirm your choice, and it's gone. There is one exception here. Your default portfolio, the one simply named My Portfolio, cannot be deleted. The system is designed to keep at least one primary hub for your data. If you want to clear that one out, you don't delete it. You simply go through and remove the individual coins one by one, effectively resetting it to a blank state. Once you delete a portfolio, that transaction history is gone from your CoinGecko view. If you are using that portfolio to track your performance for tax purposes or for a personal audit, make sure you've taken a screenshot or exported your data elsewhere first. CoinGecko does not currently support a restore feature, so consider a portfolio deletion to be permanent. If you manage multiple portfolios, you can repeat the same process for any other portfolio you want to remove. Just open the correct portfolio, access its settings, choose Delete Portfolio, and confirm the action. I hope this helps you keep your tracking as organized as your strategy. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions on portfolio management, drop them below. And that's how to delete a portfolio in CoinGecko.